This video is going to be about some assignment add-ons that you can do. So here I've added a few different things in, and you can notice down here in week 1 here that I don't have anything here. I have a today. So I'm going to tell you how we can reorder that. When today is finished, we want to click on the 3 little dots and we want to edit. At this point, we'll just simply click on the tiny triangle next to today and select week 1, save it, and it will now show up in our week 1 resources. And today is empty so that we can add something new there. You're going to see that at the top here I have something grayed out. This is a quiz that I made a draft of, but I have not yet tagged it for a topic, so it's just going to sit here and float at the top. It has been scheduled for a date, and so it will go live at that time. I have added some resources here which students can refer to all throughout the semester or the year that will help them out. These were just documents that I added by linking them, but you can also add YouTube links in here as well. I have a couple assignments that I've made a draft of, and you can see this one here is scheduled. I'm going to look at this draft one for a moment. When I click on the 3 dots, I can edit, and it brings back the assignment. So this is our Introduction to Scientific Notation, and it says that there's going to be an assignment here with a video that they should watch and a practice sheet. I want to show you how you add those things. The first one that I have done is I have found a nice video up here. This one that I like, I'm just going to right click on it because I've already looked at it. It's good. I'm going to copy the link address and come back to my classwork. And here where it says YouTube, this is my YouTube. This is my YouTube. I'm going to click on YouTube. And I know the exact URL already. I've already copied it. So I'm going to paste it in here. There it is, and I can add it. So now that's going to show up for their YouTube to watch, but I also want them to have a worksheet. I have already created a worksheet. I'm just going to show it to you over here. I've already created it. I'm asking them to do 1 question from each section. So they're not going to be completing all of these. And then they're going to tell me in private comments what they have learned. So because it's already in Drive, I just select the Google Drive. And the quickest thing to do is to look in Recent. And here is my scientific notation worksheet, and I'm going to add that in. It says here that students can view the file. That's if you want them to just simply look at it and put the answers somewhere else. Or you could say make a copy for each student so each one will get one. At that point, I'm ready to assign this now if I know what date I'm going to have for it. I still don't exactly know how the kids are going to be moving along with pace, so I'm just going to still keep it saved. But now it has assignments linked to it. Another thing that I can do is reorder the topics. So let's say week 1 is over and I would like to move all of the week 2 things to the top, because we want students when they open this to first of all see what's going on today. But if week 1 is passed, we don't need them to see week 1. So if you click on the 3 little dots in here, you can move up. Notice when I click move up, it's only going to move up 1 step. So I'm going to have to do it 2 times and move it up again. So now when time has passed, they're still going to see the most current here in today. Then they're going to see their work in week 2.